Hello again. So I'm just kind of catching up again on hauls because I was so behind on them. So I'm just going to quickly get into this one because I just shared another one with you and now I'm going to share this one. Everything is separate by store. Typically I always post a shop with me, then a haul, shop with me, then a haul. But because of Christmas and the hustle and bustle of taking everything down, I just kind of got behind on life. So this is how it's happening on the channel. Kind of, it's a little bit disorganized, but I will link the shop with me's down below if you want to see where you kind of can go and grab them. I think maybe I'll even talk a little bit about that. A lot of you ask, which store are you? I always film the outside of the store. If you don't recognize that location, I'm going to assume that you're not local in my area, and that's okay. But for my own safety, I'm also not going to right away post, hey, I was just here. If you message me in the comments, I typically respond to you and let you know what store it is. Acknowledge that you've read that and I will delete my comment. I think that if you're local, it's awesome because you'll recognize the store and be able to run out to it. If you're not local, then you have to head out to your local Dollar Tree and check it out. You have to remember there are Dollar Trees across Canada and the US. So I'm apologizing in advance if I'm feeling a little bit irritated by the constant questions about what Dollar Tree I'm at. It's just, the internet is a crazy place. It's not all rainbows, sunshine, and unicorns. As a person who posts onto the platform, some of the comments you guys will never see that come my way. There are a lot of questionable things that happen behind the scenes. So for my safety, I hope that you can understand and respect that I'm not always going to be posting when I'm videoing, because I do typically turn my videos very quickly, sometimes within a couple hours of me posting, other times the next day. But typically I post within a few hours of me being in a location, and that doesn't mean that I've left that area yet. So I don't want to end up on Dateline. I also have to just put yourself in that person's position and shoes for a minute. And it seems to be that lately one person will ask and a whole bunch of people will start commenting the same question. And I see it, I do. I'm not ignoring you, but if I recognize that you're a regular person that comments on my channel, I will tend to say, hey, it was this store. Acknowledge that I've written where it was, and please let me know that you've seen it and I delete my comment. It's no disrespect to any of you guys. I just have to think about my safety. I have a family as well, and myself. I'm a female. We've all run into situations. I think some of you guys can understand. It's a scary world out there sometimes, and after you've been through some things, you're a little more cautious of what you put out there. I realize I'm putting myself on the platform and out there, but it doesn't mean I need to specifically tell you my GPS tracking for every given minute. Anyways, my rant is over. I had to get that off because it has been driving me a little bit bonkers lately, and some of you have even been harassing me to the point where I'm getting emails asking which store I'm at, and constantly emailing me and messaging me and private messaging me, and that is not okay. That is not okay. Please don't do that on a regular basis with people on, I don't know, do you do that to people? I don't think it's okay at all. Sorry, I'm getting really upset, but it's really been bugging me. It's right up at the top of my list of like things that need to be addressed on the channel. And at one point I'm almost at the point where I don't even want to respond to comments, because there are some of you who've been with me for so long, and I love you guys and I love to comment with you and I love to chat, but then there are people who come on my channel who are like saying not very nice things and also asking me constantly what Dollar Tree I'm at, and after I've responded and I'm still being like questioned and stuff, I need to put my phone down and I need to walk away from it and be like, before I get myself into a really bad confrontation on a public platform, I better just walk away. I hope that you guys understand, and I know a lot of you do, and it's just going to be a very small amount of people who don't understand, but please hear me out. I am not just going to constantly post where I'm at all times of the day. Just if you don't recognize the outside of the building, it's probably unlikely that you've ever been at that Dollar Tree or will ever find it. So just go to your local Dollar Tree, check it out. Cheers. If you don't see what it is that you're looking for, maybe another one will have it. I'm really sorry, but that's truly how I feel, and I really needed to communicate that. Anyways, with a Dollar Tree haul, I have some goodies here that, first off, I wanted to say this one here is filled with the little gems inside of it, and it is no longer available at any of my Dollar Trees. I happened to find this one randomly. The one I used to have, actually I still have, I think, the pen itself, but something went wonky with the top and the pressure is no longer there for twisting it on and off. It has a crystal barrel. I love the way the pen works. I think it's so beautiful, but the one that I had before had a blue and white rather than this yellow and green, and I liked it better. So I'm going to see if I can switch it up and fix my existing pen, but I love the crystals in it. It's so pretty. A 8x10 frame. I got a silver one not too long ago. I thought I'd grab a brown one. I have some ideas for these. These are perfect for DIYs. I actually need the glass from it. It's an 8x10 and it works really well for taking apart and repurposing pieces from it. I caved finally and purchased this little transparency window clings. They are loads of love, like little trucks and the little red truck and the bicycle. I think what got me was the bicycle. I actually really like the bicycle. And I purchased this little pass play the game left, right, center. I just thought it'd be fun to have on hand for the kids. It is imported by Greenbrier International, which I thought was kind of interesting because I see these on Amazon as well, and they come in a tube. Kind of like the M&Ms, the little mini M&Ms come in a tube. And I'm not sure that it's a Dollar Tree product, but anyways, it's being sold on Amazon. So maybe somebody is buying them at Amazon and then flipping them onto, somebody's buying them at Dollar Tree and then flipping them onto Amazon. And the game is going for $14.99, which I think is crazy. This is so fun for me. A tablecloth. It has blue, white, floral prints. And oh my gosh, so much decoupaging that I'm going to be doing with this. I absolutely fell in love with the colors. As you can see, I am all about the blues and whites lately, so I am holding on to this for a DIY. I did purchase the little Happy Valentine's Day red truck before it sold out, and I would regret it. These guys sold out so fast. These tags gone from a lot of my stores. They have this one and a little bicycle. I did pick up the little red truck. It has like a wood finish on the front, super cool. And you can obviously repurpose and do something on the back. You can get a 2-in-1 kind of decor piece. I love them. They're so cute, and I'm so impressed with their quality. I got some of the Hellmann's spicy paprika French fries, mild, sweet, and spicy heat. I don't know. I love mayonnaise with fries. I know. Do you like mayonnaise and fries or not? But I sometimes use garlic or paprika to my mayo, so this is already done for me. Did you guys see these? The little decor pieces and Valentine metal pieces. Super awesome. Love XOXO and Valentine. And it's actually metal, so they're die cut pieces for you to do DIYs with. I caved and I bought this XOXO. I love it, and I cannot wait to transform it and use it in my little Valentine Day staging. I did pick up some ribbon for my daughter to do like little loop bags and stuff. So this one has little hearts, little red stripes, and white. And I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit. If you have access to Dollarama, I just realized that these actually sell for $2 for $1. And if you wanted to do like the tic-tac-toe thing that's really popular, the XOXO, especially for Valentine's, you might want to do something like that, like the farmhouse decor in a little, box. Run to your Dollarama because you'll save yourself a little bit of money if you're buying a whole bunch of them. I did grab another pack of these and another pack of these. I think these are a bigger size than the ones I purchased last time, 7 to 14, and the other ones that I purchased were 4 to 6. So when I saw the little bit bigger size, I grabbed them. These are the unicorn and these are a little kitty. And they have the little grippers, if you guys heard me talking a little bit about it, so it's anti-slip, which is fun for the kids. Just little reading socks. That's so cute with a gift, like even with a movie or movie pass, a little bit of like a little M&Ms or something, and a book. you have like a perfect little gift, or a gift card to Chapter or Indigo. I bought one of these bamboo spoons. I do use them in the kitchen. They're great for DIYs as well, but there's that. And I was so excited to find some more socks. So there's the navy blue white, and then these ones here are actually my favorite. I got a pair of black. I regret not buying more, but these will do as well. These are originally from Sears, so if you remove this tag, which I did in another video, you will see that Sears is disclosed underneath. They were regularly $7.97 for a pair. Like there's two pairs in each package. And this one's really pretty because it's like lace. And these are a little bit more shallow here, so here, I'll show you with the blue. They're more shallow, so you get a nice ballerina toe there. And this one's great if you're wearing a pair of sneakers or something like that, and you don't have to worry about it coming really, you know, low. All right, floral time. If you guys saw, I posted the most gorgeous flowers, the roses at Dollar Tree right now. That is from a different haul, so I didn't incorporate it into here. However, if you take a look on my Instagram, I posted, oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. They're, it's like a light pink rose and then the mini roses, and they look so real. And at the store that I was at, they actually had yellow, purple, pink, I think in a different color. I can't remember. I gravitated towards the pink ones because they do remind me of real flowers. So talking about flowers, I did pick up some other ones. So here are, well, here's the roses that I picked up, another bundle that are this color here. They're just beautiful. And then I grabbed some of this purple, what is it called? Amaranthus. And then I got yellow, and then I got a couple of these purpley kind of, I don't know. Yeah, so that's the floral. And that's my haul. And again, I apologize for introducing my video with a bit of a rant, but even while I had just taken a break between filming, I was getting messages again. So I just wanted to say thank you again for those who are respectful and understanding. And if you reach out to me during the Christmas if you did reach out to me during the Christmas holidays, I did take a break. If you are a regular viewer, you probably noticed I disappeared for a couple weeks. I spent some time with my family, and we had a lot of get-togethers, a lot of family time, a lot of friend time, and I definitely put social media to the side. I wasn't even posting anything. So if you were commenting or asking me things and I didn't respond in a timely manner or fashion for you, that's because I wasn't available. I know that it's hard. I know it's hard for you guys to understand that when you guys comment on social media, you're so used to like instant responses, and I've been really good. This will be 3 years I'm going on YouTube. I'm very, very good at responding to pretty much all of my comments. As the channel's grown, of course, there's more comments, and I'm not able to respond to every single one of you. Sometimes I heart comments, and if there's nothing to really address, then I don't really respond. But I do want to say I am very, very good at responding to my comments. Although when it comes to holidays, I might not be as active or present on my channel. It doesn't mean I'm ignoring you. It just means I'm taking a break too. So I just want to say I apologize for the beginning of my video. I was quite upset, and it's coming through, and I'm telling you, and I'm usually really good at being authentic with you guys. I don't normally complain, but that's something that's been really, really frustrating me. And there's other stuff. I don't even talk to you guys about it, but this one's really been at the top of my list about like just, I don't know, it's just been really something that's been happening a lot on the channel. So I just want to say thank you to those who are very respectful. If you do reach out to me and ask me where I am and I respond, please just acknowledge you've read my comments so that I do take down the whereabouts of the store. Again, if you don't recognize the outside when you're watching Shop With Me, it's probably not a local store, or otherwise you'd recognize the outside. And I'm very good. I always film the outside, so you guys know exactly what store I'm walking into. Anyways, I'm done. I won't talk anymore, but till next time, everyone, have a wonderful day. Bye.